You know, God has seasons and times for nations. And I've been repeatedly hearing from God, not only now, but over the past few years. And one more time, it's coming before me is the season is now coming for the continent of Africa. So Africa will rise up as a mighty army because you are the last of the downtrodden kind. You were heavily trampled down upon. You have become the laughing stock of the whole world, especially the Western world. You were sold as slaves, you were robbed, you were enslaved, you were killed in massacred large numbers, the blood of the martyrs, the innocents all crying out from the land. And the time of God's visitation for Africa is coming very soon. Very soon. So let the saints of Africa arise and prepare yourselves from fasting to prayer. You know, the new Rosh Hashanah is coming very soon, right? So I suggest to you, if you can fast for, no, this is just a suggestion, okay? It's not a word from the Lord. From August the 9th, if you begin a 40-day fast, beginning from August the 9th, it will finish just a day before Rosh Hashanah. And you position yourself for something new that will be released on that. I see many chariots get ready, be sent to the continent to prepare a mighty move of God. Time will delay no longer. Repent. The kingdom of heaven has come near now. Prepare to meet the Lord your God.